Good to see you all again, Shib Kai. You're not prepared for this Shiba Inu. 2 days remain. Shib news: the price of the Shiba Inu finished 2022 on a negative note. As the new year begins, the bulls are attempting to retake ground and reimburse investors for money they have lost. Adding more SHIB tokens to traders' portfolios is not justified at this time because the Shiba Inu price is not showing any bullish signals. In this video, we'll speak about how bulls failed to spark the expected end-of-year rally, resulting in a 133% loss of market value from the opening price in December's auction. 2 days remain. SHIB news: without further ado, let's get started with the video. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to get our most recent content on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecasts. The short time frames are bearish, but the bulls are attempting to change the story. The 8-day exponential moving average, EMA, has successfully turned into support, and the 21-day simple moving average, SMA, will soon interact with the infamous meme coin. SHIB INU is currently trading at 0.0082 on January 2nd. A bullish 21-day SMA hurdle at 0.834 may cause a rally into the training range's midpoint in December, which is close to 0.900. If the bulls were successful, the price of SHIBAinu would rise by 1%. Nonetheless, SHIBAinu would be restrained by November's broken support zone. With 2022 all but written in the books, cryptocurrency investors will be happy to start over in 2023 after the crypto winter has gripped the entire industry and brought the momentum that started to build in 2021 to a screaming halt. The meme token Shiba Inu has not been spared, down about 75% in 2022 and sporting a roughly 4.9 billion market cap. If the bearish scenario occurs, a breach of December's low at 0.0078 could be the catalyst for a sweep the lows event targeting the 2022 low at 0.714. This would result in a 13% decline in SHIB price. The reason behind this is the collapse of FTX, one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges globally, which filed for bankruptcy and received a lot of negative attention. Regulators are also stepping in, and the sector as a whole has suffered repercussions of the FTX collapse. Despite the challenging times, uncertainty has taken over prospects. While some tokens and networks can disrupt certain industries or carry out specific functions, Shiba Inu only possesses the peer-to-peer payment capabilities that almost every cryptocurrency has. This is partly because Shiba Inu is an ERC-20 token, which is built on top of the Ethereum network and therefore has a certain set of properties like being fungible, transferable, and having a fixed number of tokens. Crypt bulls will argue that this is a good time to buy the dip and that the industry has better days ahead. There are numerous reasons why Shiba Inu bears could have a negative impact on the token. The 1 quadrillion tokens that make up Shiba Inu have a fixed supply, making it unfavorable for investors in terms of supply and demand. However, Shiba Inu's unique catalyst is the impending beta release of Shibaswap, which is a layer-to-scaling solution built on the Shiba Inus protocol and creates more of an individual network for Shiba Inu. This could result in lower transaction fees when using Shiba Inu because it is an ERC-20 token. In addition to increasing gas prices and causing congestion for users of Shiba Inu, Shibaswap is also said to include a burning mechanism that would burn tokens with each transaction, so assisting in lowering Shiba Inu's enormous. Other than that, the 16th largest cryptocurrency, shibainu, would probably profit if the cryptocurrency market recovered. However, for that to occur, the Federal Reserve must stop raising interest rates as much as it has been doing for the entire year. This is because rising interest rates deter investors from purchasing riskier assets, and few assets are riskier than cryptocurrencies, which are more difficult to value than stocks. While the daily burn of this well-known meme coin has drastically decreased since last year's drop, the Shiba Inu community appears to be bursting with vitality and desire to overcome last year's exhaustion. The Bitcoin burn transfer tracker churn indicates that the first 2 days of 2023 were comparable to the significant burn in 2022. On January 1st, the SHIB army removed almost 250 million Shiba Inus in the last 2 days. On January 2, they removed a total of 159,00895 SHIB from circulation, which required 13 transactions to dead wallets. The majority of the SHIB that was transferred after that was destroyed in a single transfer, totaling 157,158 3MIM coins burned by the unknown address. 19M98748 meme coins were sent to the Inferno wallet. It took 9 transactions to receive them thus far. The most recent burn has increased the share burn rate overall to 115.6 per. Within months of its launch, the official Twitter account for the Shibarium blockchain and Shibarium network, ShibariumNet, has amassed thousands of followers. As of November 7, just over a month ago, the account had over 33,900 followers. The Shibarium network, according to the Shiba Inu team, will eventually develop into a social information hub for everything pertaining to the Shibarium Layer 2 network and protocol. Given the significant amount of followers that the company has amassed on Twitter in less than a month, there are undoubtedly high expectations for Shiba Inu's layer to solve Shibarium. Shoshiro Kusama, main developer for Shibu, tweeted earlier this week about meeting with Shibarium Builder Unification regarding Shibarium. He added that alignment onboarding would be finalized very soon, following the last Shibu BPP. Screenshots of Discord messages from Shoshiro Kusama and a Shibu developer Shib, Tropus, were posted on the Shibu-focused Twitter account. Kusama stated in the screenshot that he was adding a nice bow to it, but most people assume he was referring to the Shib, Shibarium. Tropus also mentioned that there will be docs before beta testing, and there is no set date for when Shibarium will be made available to the public. It looks that the beta testing stage will soon begin. The cost of BONE SHIBASwap is up 8% in the last day at 0.87 BONE, which would act as fuel for the Shibarium Layer 2 and prizes for validators, in response to the news of the impending Shibarium beta release. SHU developers are at the final stages of completing the Shibarium updates according to an influencer on Twitter with the username at ShibBPP. The Shiba Inu community member shared a Discord message posted by one of the network's core developers Tropus, who disclosed the next steps before the long-awaited Shibarium beta launch. In the Discord message, Troff has hinted that all that is left before the beta launch is for the developers to release the Shibarium white paper. In addition, the developer wrote in the shared message that the first stage had been the website development, the document, and the beta launch. Furthermore, the Shib influencer further confirmed Tropus' statement by sharing another message from Shoshiro Kusama in a follow-up Twitter post. Kusama's Discord message reveals that developers are integrating the final pieces of the upgrade with organizational changes and document releases before the Shibarium project launch will accompany it. Is worth noting that the core developers have previously teased the Shiba Inu community about launching the Layer 2 protocol more than a year ago. The Shib team initially scheduled the project launch for September, however the developers revealed that there are technical flaws that would cause a delay in the planned launch. This concludes our update. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see more of our latest content. The team has not yet disclosed the precise launch date, which has caused the price of the Shiba Inu community SHIB to spike as the launch date approaches. Industry experts predict that the launch would position the K9 crypto platform to compete with other Ethereum layer to scaling solutions like Polygon. As previously reported on Crypto News Flash, two major benefits of the Shibarium launch are low costs and high throughput features, which will be appealing to decentralized application projects.